Hi, this is Dr. Chen. I'm founder of Care and Counseling Coaching Center. And today I'm going to talk about the importance of create email marketing. Email marketing is a very important strategy for you to write and create some article and some email to connect with your tribe. So people will get to know you and also people will use your service and use your product. And so, how to create email marketing? The first tip is going to create irresistible free offer, and such as some article or video, and also you can also write your story, or you can also ask your client to give you written testimony, or you can interview your client for testimony and to send out to people. So your tribe will get better to know who you are and also your service. And another tip is to connect, make sure you can connect your offer with your niche and make sure the niche, you find your own niche and you find your own community. So for example, if your niche is to help a parent, and so you would like to use the kind of language and topic to connect better with parents. And if your niche is to help more women, then you would like to address some of the concern and some create some interesting article that women would like to read. And also another tip is to connect and network with more people in order for more people to either promote your email or to promote your free article or video. And also to find out some partner who can promote you. You can find a referred partner or JV partner if they you have a good connection with them. If they have a similar target market, they will be happy to promote you. And so, and also try to spend time to write some article in order to educate your niche, and also to put some money and energy on doing some advertisement and maybe doing some Google ad or Facebook ad. And I also personally find YELP also has done a good job. And also find some magazine or article in your field, and that if you can put some ad that you can find your potential client. And also the last tip is to review your opt-in page to make sure that you are more clear about the benefit in your offer, and also to invite people to connect with you. And so you can have more lead and you can serve more clients. And I'm looking forward to hear from you. And you can book a free consultation and to talk to me. And again, if you want to uh, put your email list in for my weekly email circle, please email me at happywealthysuccesscoach@gmail.com. And my website is liveyourbestpurpose.com. And I help a lot of entrepreneurs to better use your gift and talent in order to create a business so that is aligned with your soul purpose, so you can make more money and also make more impact. And I'm also a psychotherapist and I believe in healing. And that's why I also teach and educate more about the healing, because I believe that everyone needs some healing, either through identity or health or relationship, or either our relationship with money. And that's why we can have the abundant money mindset to make more money. And I do have some free money mindset course. So just email me so you are going to receive it to elevate you to double or triple your income and to even make a six-figure income without difficult work and without sacrifice your freedom. I'm looking forward to talk to you soon. Thank you.